Hey everyone, it's Jeremy. Just got my hands on the latest Xiaomi tablet, the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro 12.4, which, as the name suggests, boasts a 12.4-inch display, making it larger than the Xiaomi Pad 6, which measures 11 inches. This one might be more geared towards productivity, but since I just received it, today we're going to do an unboxing of the tablet, the stylus, take a look at its appearance, and go over its main features, while I wait to dive in and test it further. By the way, if there's anything specific you want to see on it, any particular apps you're curious about or specific uses, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. And a quick note, I received this tablet as a member of the Xiaomi Influencer on the global Xiaomi community, and that's also how I got to attend its global launch in Barcelona back in February. So for the unboxing, the tablet comes in a large box given its size, and it comes with some documentation, a 120-watt charger, and a USB to USB-C cable. On the cover we got the main feature listed, which I'll detail shortly, but it's always nice to have at least the charger included in the box, especially since not everyone has such a powerful charger lying around for fast charging. Plus it could come in handy for other devices too. Along with the tablet I also received the stylus, the Xiaomi Focus Pen. It comes with an extra tip, some documentation, and it magnetically recharges by attaching to the designated spot on the tablet. This is a new stylus model. It boasts 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a latency of just 3 milliseconds. It weighs 15.6 grams and features 3 buttons that can be used for taking screenshots, using it as a pointer in presentation, highlighting text, or even triggering video recording or taking photos. Compared to the Pad 6 stylus, this one has double the pressure sensitivity. Unfortunately, it does not seem compatible with the regular Pad 6 and vice versa, which is a shame if you already own the previous model, but I will run more tests just to be sure. As for the other accessories, there is a keyboard cover available with an integrated touchpad, which really turns the tablet into a laptop-like device with quick access keys, shortcut on the touchpad, and it should be quite similar to the one that I have for the Pad 6, but with the added touchpad functionality. It connects via the Pogo connectors located on the back. We'll have to see what cables layout options are available and how long it takes to get them. It took quite a while to get an SAT one, for example, for the Pad 6. The other official accessory is a cover that not only protects the tablet, but also allows you to keep it up on vertical or horizontal with an origami style system. I think this is a must-have to protect it properly and not worry about damaging it every time you set it on. In terms of design, the tablet is 6.26mm thick and weighs 590 grams. It's made of metal and only available in grey in this global version. On the back we've got the camera module in the top left corner. If you're holding it vertically, it's somewhat similar to the camera block of the Xiaomi 14, for example, but here we have two sensors, one of 50 megapixels and one of 2 megapixels for depth of field. Further down there is the Xiaomi logo and the Pogo connector for keyboard connection. On the top of the tablet we have two speaker grilles and the power button, which also houses the fingerprint reader. On the right side there are the volume buttons, a microphone, the stylus slot, and another microphone. On the bottom, two more speakers grilles and the USB-C 3.2 port, which supports video output and has a transfer speed of 5 GB. The left side remains empty. We've got a total of 6 speakers for an immersive listening experience, and it supports Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. As the name suggests, the screen measures 12.4 inches. It's a 144Hz display with a 3K resolution, 294 ppi, 12-bit color depth, HDR10, DCI-P3, and goes up to 900 nits. The aspect ratio is 3:2, which might be more suited for productivity than the usual 16:9 or 16:10 for videos and game. Here you have more space at the bottom of the screen, which is handy for web pages, writing text, maybe even for photo editing and drawing, but we'll delve into specific uses in the review video. Also worth noting is the 22 megapixel selfie camera located at the top when held horizontally, which will be great for video calls. The only thing that could have been better here if it had an OLED display, but I guess that would have come at a higher cost. The tablet is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, or 512, or in LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0. It also supports Wi-Fi 7 and comes with HyperOS out of the box, which should allow for seamless interaction with other devices from Xiaomi, like the latest smartphone, the Pad 6, the Xiaomi car. For example, you'll be able to copy text from one device to paste it on the other, transfer file easily, write a note on the tablet and use the smartphone's camera to complete it, and much more, which we'll explore in detail very soon. As for other specs, it packs a hefty 10,000 mAh battery and supports 120W charging. I don't think there are many tablets out there that support such fast charging. According to the brand, it only takes 35 minutes to charge it to 0 to 100%, and we can expect a long battery life. As for the price, it will vary depending on your country, but during its launch in Barcelona, it was announced starting from 700 euros. There might be bundled with the keyboard and stylus to get them cheaper than individually, but it should be around 99 euros for the stylus and less than 200 euros for the keyboard, but that's subject to confirmation. I'll put the link in the description as soon as they're available so you can check and compare with equivalent tablets. So as I mentioned earlier, I just received it and I'll be using it daily to see what I can do with it or cannot do. Also to explore this HyperOS part and the connectivity with other devices from the brand. For example, I have the Xiaomi 14 and also the Pad 6 that is using HyperOS. I think it could be an interesting product and potentially replace a laptop, especially with the keyboard that I may get later on. So if there's anything specific you want to see in the review, let me know in the comments and I'll catch you in the next video.